Hi, my name is Julie. Today I'm going to share with you about OurTime.com. I recently researched apps and websites to help an individual who wanted to get back into the dating scene and meet new friends. The individual I am assisting is named Vern. Vern is 67 years old and lives in a group home with 3 other men. He has a passion for learning and music. He also wants to learn how to play musical instruments. Using OurTime.com, Vern will be able to chat, flirt, or gaze upon men and women in the area. Let me show you how the site works. On the home page, you can like different profile pictures. These pictures show the person's username, age, and location. For example, we have Wild Smart Lady, age 58 from Tecumseh, and Blue Eyes 21, age 70 from Royal Oak. On the right-hand side of the page, Vern can flirt with women or men that he finds attractive and would like to talk to in this section here. If you scroll down the page, there's a notification section, which would tell Vern if someone has viewed him, talked to him, etc. Below that is a Who Viewed Me section. This would tell Vern if someone has looked at his profile recently. On the top of the page, Vern can view his matches. He can read about the match and see what they look like. Smoke 54 from Ypsilanti, age 63, is seasoned and ready to mingle. Oh boy. He can also edit parts of his profile. If you click on his profile picture, you will see his picture, his age, his name, and the location. He can add more photos by uploading a new photo. He can edit who he's looking for, where he grew up, if he has children, etc. He can also add details about himself. For example, he's interested in playing musical instruments. He can also write about who he's looking for and any extra details he'd like to talk about. To see messages from other people, he would have to subscribe to a membership plan. Hopefully, through OurTime.com, Vern can get back into the dating scene and enjoy the seasoned crowd that the Ypsilanti area has to offer.